Yo, what go on? This one you want? Alright, see, tell me they even wash my face, dog. Me they even wash my face, bro. At what time now? 5:30 in the morning for me. Yo, me not sleep, bro. Alright, watch it, let's go.
The hard ball kick them cold up. Which new king of man crown them a horn up.
Oi, wait. From the song start, we see subs. From the song start, we see subs. Forget about what him said. Look at what he's doing. Forget about what he said. Look at what he's doing. Go on. He's up. Go on. Go back. Oh, no, go back. What? Oh, this. Oh. Don't ramp in a boy. All right, go back.
The hard ball kick them cold up. Which new king of man crown them a horn up.
Your hardball now kick them cold up. Which two king them are all? All right, watch out. What is he sweeping out? Crocs. The Crocs. The shoes, Crocs. Tamale chol. The shoes, the old dirty piece of shoes, yes. All dirty slippers, yes. The comfortable, yeah, Crocs. Immature that out. Zin? All right. Hey!
The hard ball kick them cold up. Which new king of man crown them a horn up. Fans them why you come out of the floor. But from a real go to go hijack a chorus.
The fans them why you come out at the same floor. The song them why you come out at, but guess what? From the real coat, the real G, the real gangster, you go hijack one chorus. What do them? I don't know. What do them? That him attack, alright? All right. So this not work. Yes, man.
The hard ball kick them cold up. Which new king of man crown them a horn up. Fans them why you come out of the floor. But from a real go to go hijack a chorus. Take which program boy me no robot. Me no big friend in a why if he focus.
Alright. Take which program boy me no robot. So the line there, he might answer the cartel line, I believe. Yes, he is. Not I believe. He is. He might answer the cartel line right there, so. Guys, me still have a sleep. Bear with me. Please, bear with me.
Which program boy, me no robot. Me no big friend in a why if he focus. Your badness bogus. Show me, I show you.
He must say, yo, in a war, you have to focus. Don't lose your focus. Because you say, yo, at the last song you go put out, allegedly. Me no know. He man say, yo, I want to your boy, in a war, you have to focus. I want to your dog. I'm going to show the people them say your badness bogus. I'm going to show the people them say your badness not good. Your badness made in China.
It's how you afraid to load up. If you see me with broom and in the yard, I sweep. At the broom where you weave in your corner, beat them and broom.
If you see me with broom and the yard, I sweep at the broom. That one, I go pause that, you know, because I don't want to miss nothing in the dog. I don't want to miss nothing, you know. If you see me with broom and the yard, I sweep, dog. And the yard, just don't see on the yard, bro.
If you see me with broom and in the yard, I sweep. At the broom where you weave in your corner, beat them and broom.
At the broom, I wave in your corner, beat. Remember, say massacre have what? Kenro? So, corner, them call it. So, at the broom, don't think say a broom a sweep. At the broom a wave some bumbuckler binds in your cane row, in your head top, in your dome.
And no leaning in the corner G. Them a broom ya make people free the street. Them broom you can't treat make neighbor see. Them
broom you can't make neighbor see it. And something if you come out at Sunday morning time, come sweep up your yard and come clean up your dog shit. So members say you don't tell me say me figure sweep the yard. Yeah? Members say you don't tell me say figure sweep the yard, right? Them broom ya when me I go use pussy. Your yard that get sweep and a neighbor can't see it. You guess what? So you can go and chat about sweep yard. Other line them are just. Yes, must yeah. Tamil talk.
Them broom ya make people free the street. Them broom you can't treat me neighbor see. Them broom ya trouble but be a police.
Them broom ya trouble them but be a police. Them broom ya illegal.
Me a travel we come half a sea. Me no lapse in a war, me a the war machine.
Me no lapse in a war, bro. Me a the war machine. Before that him said them broom ya come off a sea. So them broom ya shipping, them broom ya get shipping. Me a pause a lot now. You know why? Cause me know I'm it's nothing right now. Cause I'm tired, but I want to sleep, but my hip hurt me. Be a things I go. Let's go.
When me a gunshot like a charity, nobody me no sorry for me war with strategy.
Both clarity. What kind of clarity you talk about pussy? You can't hear me I say something wrong with you. Both clarity, me a kick out shot like a charity. I want you, hey!
When me a gunshot like a charity, nobody me no sorry for me war with strategy.
Me war with strategy. Guess what? Nobody me no sorry. Strategy, big word. Nobody me no sorry for G. Nobody me no sorry for. If you no see me close my eye, I become my eye sting me from the light and think I'm in my glass. Alright?
No a policy. Remember at me this gunshot. Anyone me catch you know I walk it.
Gunshot. Anyone me catch you dog, I walk it. Dip. You have to go dip, pussy. You have to go dip. Because I know you're not wearing a helmet. So guess what? You have to go dip in the dog.
No a policy. Remember at me this gunshot. Anyone me catch you know I walk it. Any young grades when me mix for me Mali with shot.
Henny and grades what me mix for me Molly with. Henny and grades. So he mix fee Mali with. So he might tell you say, yo, a whole heap of drugs he might take. Like not even weed and not drugs. Any and weed when we mix from Mali with. Alright.
Is me data, badness, politics. Boy, we do that, disappear, poof, magically, police.
Wait, no, Mr. Politics.
Chat raise me data, badness, politics. Boy, we do that, disappear, poof, magically, police. Ask the body for the family. One bag of
Man said, boy, disappear, poof, like magic. Police ask. What? Wait, now.
Boy, we do that, disappear, poof, magically, police. Ask the body for the family. One bag of cussing and bad for nothing. The done beat you up and you dog again.
Bombo clot. Alright? Since as we are reveal shit, make we reveal this. Pussy, you done beat you up a Huggins. You done beat you up Bumbo Walla Huggins. That's how we family right sir. And on me dog, and on me.
Family, one bag of cussing and bad for nothing. The done beat you up and you dog again.
The done beat you up and your dog a Huggins. More somebody for come clarify. We are going live later on because them thing I need to address. They don't think I need to talk about.
438 new record running. Only up.
Wait, 438 a massacre album. 438 a massacre album.
Done beat you up and you dog again. 438 new record running. Only up. Bad pan pro tool plugins. Beat now.
Pro Tool plugins. I'm not watching the video. Sorry, I should be watching the video, but I'm not.
I didn't hesitate for rushing. Pins if it done him, the killers not trusting.
Oh, Skeng in that video. Skeng in that video to big up yourself, Skeng. Skeng run this in that video so you know say you have a problem now in the dog. Skeng in the war. In the war.
Here him a go a obey man not judging. Cause him have a demon a hand bugging.
Man say me here say my guy Oberman, me not judge him because him have a demon and unbug him. So I'm gonna try get the dopey off of him. Tamili say yo, him a the dopey depon him. So him a go Oberman, go try and take the dopey off of him. Will that work? I don't think so. Let's go.
Step,
Get the big up. When you say Tamili takes a long for answer, well, not long, 2 days. At video the man do. Sang voice from yesterday. Video the man do. Me know it's a sang voice from yesterday.
Mara fly, mama cry.
I see I have a cut out for me now. Because here, you see. Tamili nah make this go, you know. Tamili nah let this go, bro. I swear.
Rise up the war machine because I seen a murder. Me like me cold, me heart a freeze. Me sure.
Me don't want to catch everything the first time. I swear to God. I want to come back with what did I miss. Because right now I'm tired. I be things that go through my head right now. Zimmy Records, big up yourself.
Genocide is Sparta, dark a film. Korea by the goat, you half a sheen. Just
Corey, you buy the goat off a Sheen. Corey, the goat where you buy? Remember say, a Corey give Massacre the break then. A Corey manage him after him left subconscious, round conscience them, you know. A Corey take him under him wing after Corey and Cartel pathways, you know. Corey tad, you know. So he must say, yo, Corey, you buy the goat off a Sheen. That goat there is not a bumbuckler real goat. That goat there fake, made in China. I said it earlier on. Fuck your head, bro. Calm down.
so I find the yard, the dog asleep. Me ask him father, daughter, father, film.
What? Me want find him yard the dog asleep. Me ask him. Who you ask, Tommy?
Just want find the yard, the dog asleep. Me ask him father, daughter, father, film.
Me ask him daughter, him father, that. What a blood clot? What kind of family mix up this?
Just want find the yard, the dog asleep. Me ask him father, daughter, father, film.
Him father, daughter, father, film. So him father, daughter. Wait, no, wait. Him father, daughter.
Fashion, just want find the yard, the dog asleep. Me ask him father, daughter, father, film.
Father, daughter, father. Father, him father, that the mix. Right now, I can't think. Comment section, help me out. I can't think.
Circle the swamp, the crooks, them gone back in the rifle. Me clotty party, water film.
Man say him circle the swamp and the crooks them gone back in. Remember say Tamili they done throw one stone in a crooked and count your kung and then say you fuck you. Remember saying that. So him say the crooks them gone back in. Them can't take the pressure out here. That's how the GS writers say not me.
War get ugly. Me no play fair, your baby mother jumpy. A big man a war in a go and go sit down, bitch.
The war get ugly. So me kill them a day like Bulby. Alliance no thugs them a cunt. Alliance no thugs them a junkie. Bunties are big up Bunty and a Bunty. But he must say right so yo the war get ugly. Guess what the war get ugly? Listen.
Me no play fear, your baby mother jump your big.
Me not play fear, your baby mother jump me G. Me not play fear. The man tell us say he not play fear because the members them don't mention about Pitney already now. He might tell us say yo, your baby mother jump in that.
Man a war in a go and go sit down, bitch. Me aim for kill and nothing nobody love me and nothing.
Me aim for kill and nothing nobody love me, bro. If I tell us say yo, me build for this, me make for this. Me no want a love from nobody cause guess what? Me not no love for nobody. I put a gunshot boy again. Alright, let's go.
Don't change on the sun, still a ton fish. Business fix. If you kill and nothing nobody love me and nothing don't change on the sun, still a ton fish.
Man say I don't nothing fit. I know nothing. Me not change that. Man say your son still a got ton fish. Yeah, him a double down on the line there. Him a tell you say yo that is what your pitney a go be, your son a go be. Him a got ton fish. Hi, bomba.
Business fix birthday, never comfy. Demon make a torment in a luxury. My be a me play show me over run me not.
Man say yo, the demons make you have your birthday, bro. Yeah. The demons are living in your head rent free. Him a say right so. Then him move on and say yo, Moby I'm a place. Me not see no boy if he run me. So him adjust the line when Massacre say yo, him get run out of bumbo clot. I'm place. Him say yo, no, Moby I'm a place. Me not see no boy if he. So him answer that directly. The vlogger, the content creators, the vloggers online, the reviewers, the reactioners, he's listening, bro. That is what he's been doing from after control. He's been listening.
Coulda wa do dance all beating, stick beating from everybody where you beefing with.
Man say I coulda wa do dance all beating stick, beating from everybody where you're beefing with. Who beat him? Me try no, I don't know.
Ling figure by gun, feel him slick, killer them, take him money and beat him sick.
And figure by gun. And wait.
Ling figure by gun, feel him slick, killer them, take him money and beat him sick.
so him must right so him give some killers some money, figure by gun, but the killer them take him money and beat him. He must say, yo, what go on him feel him slick?
No wait. Ling figure by gun, feel him slick, killer them, take him money and beat him sick.
Beat him sick to blood clot. Aye.
Kick off him and nail if quick. Boy run off, you couldn't even believe him swift.
Yo, me couldn't believe I saw the boy swift one time him get up and run off. Knee lift him and knee lift. 100 meter sprint. No, fuck it. 110 more, fuck it. Oh, 200 meter. And that's so the boss of that way time yes, right so.
Shut a fire him leaving this. A time fi go home, mama feeling sick.
Man's your time to go home, mama feeling
sick. Better you go in a war again. You are go dead pan the day you're born again.
Man say better you go in a war again. You go dead pan the day you're born again. You go dead for your earth, for your dirt, for your birthday. King, big up.
The baptized demons off of them, slowly torture them. Here Javana begging. Me turn passport and start again.
Pussy clot. Oh, Massive have him cut out in a bro. Me tell you now.
Richer than holiday. And anyway me buck on me a cause problem.
Man say anyway me buck on me a cause problem. Guess what? My bank book rich. My bank book healthy. My bank book fat. What you say?
Tyrus Riley better in your corner, friend.
Tyrus Riley better in your corner, friend. Oh shit! Massacre and Tyrus Riley do a song. I'll be in your corner, friend. Yo, Tamili. Bars, bro.
And anyway, me buck on me a cause problem. Tyrus Riley better in your corner, friend.
Yo, that's crazy. That's the amount of collab where Massacre do. Other one them choose. Yo, that show you say Tamili are doing homework, bro.
Step, anyway, step,
Yo, this crazy fam.
Mama cry.
And it also confirm say yo, Skeng love the fuckery. Skeng, you love the fuckery. You know every day, bro. You're there, bro. You're like. Bombo clot, evil. All right, I'm gonna play to the last end because I don't want nothing to miss me in the dark. Aye, what no say about that one, though? What no say about that one, dog? What no say? Because the G chat some things in the dark. Oh, from the video say yo 1 second in, bro. The man a show with things, bro. The man a sweep out the crock, yo. lot to talk about on the life. A lot to talk about on the life. Look more.